Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do end-to-end data analytic project. So we'll be using libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, NumPy. And also we'll be load the data into the SQL server. So if you are data engineering or data analyst, this project is going to help you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, these are the project that we are going to do, and after that we are going to load the data into the SQL server here. So for that, we are going to start from the beginning. So what I have to do is, for that, we have to do that, open the Jupyter Notebook, CMD, to open this Jupyter Notebook. So for that, CMD. And after that, click over here and type here Python notebook. Hit enter button. So once it is opened, now we need to create the new folder name. To create the new folder name, for that here, we need to click on new. And here you can see called new folder. So I remove it all, and after that my folder name will be project 200 and hit enter button, and here you can see the folder name has been created. So click over here again. Under this folder we are going to upload dataset. So for that, here click on here, and after that click on, and it's like your dataset name. This is my dataset, and click open. So now we are going to open, under this folder we are going to open the new file. Click on here Python 3, and after that here I'm going to name my file name. My file name will be, sorry guys, file name will be project 300. Click on rename. So here we need to type our libraries. So these are the libraries that we are going to use. Click on here, and now we need to load the data. So for that, df equal to, this is df stand for data frame, pd pandas dot read underscore csv. This is the file type, and after that our data set name is, there is order dot csv, right? So hit enter button, sorry, shift plus enter button. It is saying that pd.read csv, read the csv order dot csv. pd is not, why it is? Let me check whether I have uploaded or not. So this is the order, why it is? Let me delete, let me start from the beginning. I'll delete this better. I'll remove this. I'll delete this file. Where's the delete option? Just click over here, delete it. Where I have deleted. So now click on here again. I need to open new file, and here, and these are the libraries that we are going to use. So I'm going to rename this my file name, that is project 300. Click on rename. So click on this, run the cell, and after that type here df data frame equal to pd this pandas dot read underscore csv, and here we need to type our dataset name, that is order dot csv. Make sure that I have uploaded here, right? earlier. Here you can see this is order. This is my data set name, order.csv. This is a file type, okay, CSV. Order.csv is around here. Just click over here. Let me read the data df dot head. So these are the data. So let me check how many columns are there under this data, df dot column. So this is the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 columns out there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So here you can see there is some problem out here. Here you can see this format is not actually appropriate. So here you can see customer, this capital letter C, and after the all rest of the letter are small letter. And here you can see space hyphen, there is a gap out there, ID. So here we need to put in between, that is underscore, and this also we need small letter. So in this is how that we are going to convert. So what happened? So further we need to convert this this letter into the small letter. So for that lowercase, for that we need to type this df dot column. This is a column, right? This is column, right? Here you can see this are the column. This is not, this is called rows, right? So these are the column. So for that, what I need to type here? Columns dot string, there is str dot lower, this lowercase, right? Lower, and I need to assign this moment df equal to, sorry, column, sorry, dot column equal to, now run this. So now let me check this df. So now you can see this old letter has been converted into small letter. So still there is a problem that we need to fix. There is a problem of that we need to put in this in between, right? So for that, customer ID, customer underscore ID, it should be customer underscore status. In this way we need to change to fix this. So for that we need to type again, better what I have to do this. So just copy this. Sorry. So copy this, and after that go back here, and here we need to type this. Instead of lower, just need to type lower, sorry, replace, we need to replace, right? So and here just give a space, make sure that I need to give a space, and after that again open, there is small, this is a single quotation mark, underscore, again close it, and now run this cell. Now let me check this. Yes, df. So here our problem has been solved. So now what we have to do is, now we are going to load this data into SQL Server. So for that, what we need to do first, we need to import, that is SQL Alchemy. This is SQL Alchemy is a popular libraries, okay, of Python for data connection. So for that, as okay, make sure that this is a Python libraries. So cell engine, and after that here need to type this, there is cell, there is create, need to create, right? So for that now underscore engine, and here we need to type this, open the single quotation mark, or else you can put double quotation mark. So here I need to type this MSS, that is Microsoft SQL, okay, and after that double forward slash, and after that here I need to type this my database name, so sorry, yeah, server name. To get the server name, so for that we need to do this, just you need to open your SQL server. This is my SQL server. So once open this your SQL server, here you can find this and click on here, properties, And after that, here you can see this is my server name. There are two ways to get the server name. Okay, just copy and go to here and paste it, /. But another way to get the server name, for that what we need to do is this: we need to start from the beginning, type here SQL Server Management Studio. We need to open this. So server, the same server. And here you can see this is this server name, right? Just copy and go back here. This is the same, right? Similar. You make sure that this server name and this name are same. But there is only different is there is two way to get the server name. That's all. What I have to do this, just I'll connect over here. So go back here, my database name. So what we have to do, for that we'll create new database name here. So here we need to mention our database name. So to get the database name, first we need to create database name. So for that we need to go to the again SQL and to create a new database name. So for that what we need to do this, just click on here, new query, and type here create database. Database name will be that is most 400, and click on here execute, and here you can see command completed successfully. So we already created, that means I have created already, database name. So this is my database name. Let me check. Just click on here, refresh, and here you can see this most 400. So now what we have to do this, need to type here where, go back here and type here most 400 driver equal to that. For that driver that we are going to use, that is ODBC. So make sure that guys, so for that we need to configure SQL to ODBC. To configure SQL to ODBC, for that open this from here, type here ODBC, and after that click on here, and after that here you can see click add and SQL, click finish, and here in the type this your database name. What was my database name? Most. Let me check over here. Let me go here. Most 400, right? So go back here. Most 400, and server name, as I have told you how to get this. Click over here again, properties, and get this. Copy. Click OK, and go back here ODBC and paste it here, and click next. Click next. Click next. Finish. Test data source. It is saying that test completed successfully. Click OK. Click OK. So that's all. So now what we have to do this, after that go back here, we need to type this ODBC. This is the driver ODBC plus driver plus 17 plus for SQL plus server. Let me double check. There is driver ODBC, there is a driver again, plus 17 plus 4 SQL server plus server. And here try with this, there is connect equal to engine dot connect. Click on here. It is saying the no module names. It is same problem. What exactly? What I have is problem here. No module name was SQL alchemy. Sorry, this is the problem. Need to mention this. Spelling is wrong here. Just click here. Now I'm going to load the data, right? That data, right? So for that, what I have to do this. For that, I need to type this df data frame dot to this with the help of SQL. And here I need to create my database. Sorry, table name. Table name will be something like that. New date data, new data, and put it comma, and here connect. Okay. So after that, what I have to do this and put a comma, and after that index and index will be false. Here I can index number here. This is the index. I'll show you this. This is 0 1 2 3. This is the index. Okay, index number. So what I have to do this now, put it comma, and after that here if exists equal to, here I need to type this replace. If data is exists within this table, we will replace it, right? Otherwise you can add append. So I'll use this replace. So after that close the close this, and after that just click OK. After that run this, click on here, run this cell. Make sure that this is our new tab and table name, new data. Yeah, it is already loaded to the SQL server. So this is my database name, right? Here you can see. Let me expand. Under this database, here you can see called table. Click over here, and after that here, this is the data. The data has been stored, uploaded on this SQL. Let me click here, columns. So this is the, you can see this, these are the columns. So now I'm going to check my data, whether the data are stored or not. For that, I need to type this select from, what is my data, sorry, table name. Table name is new table, right? Sorry, data. Let me check what was my tab. Date, sorry, this table name is new data. So let me check this. Go back here, new underscore data. Just click. It is saying that invalid object name new data. You know why? First, we need to type here use database name. What is my database name? That is most 400, right? Use 400. This is database name. Most 400. Here you can see. And just click on execute. Now you can check. Now I can check my data. So for that, now type here, and it is type static from, what is my table name is that is new data. So now select all, and after that click on execute. So these are my data set. Here you can see, right? So I'll show you again here. In here also, in this pandas, here you can see df dot add. So these are the data, right? Here you can see this customer ID, customer status, date, this thing. Make sure that the same data is already stored in SQL Server. So here you can see here you can see this customer ID, customer status, that order was placed, okay, deliver. This is the column names, okay. So these are the data. So guys, in this how where you can store data, okay, to the SQL Server. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, because to create this kind of project, it takes a lot of effort. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next video. Bye bye.